Good morning to everyone. Today we are going to do chapter number 5, data handling, exercise 5.2. In the previous video we had already completed exercise 5.1, exercise 5.2, question number 1 and 2. So dear student, in today's video we are going to see question number 3. Okay, so hope you people understood question number 1 and 2 from exercise 5.2. So here we goes. What the question number 3 says. Draw a pie chart showing the following information. The table shows the color preferred by a group of people. So dear student, here in this question we have to draw a pie chart. What we have to draw over here? We have to draw a pie chart. Using the data, whichever the data is given here, that data we have to use and we have to draw a pie chart. So what is the data over here? Let's see the data of the question number 3. So here are the data about colors and number of people. What are the data over here? So dear student, what we have to do in question number 3 from exercise 5.2, chapter number 5, data handling. So here we have to draw a pie chart. Pie chart everybody know? Okay. So before dealing with the pie chart, I would like to tell you that whenever we are going to draw a pie chart, we are going to draw inside a circle. That means a pie chart is drawn inside the circle. So this what is the angle of the circle? Complete angle of a circle is 360 degree, which is known as center angle. This angle is known as center or central angle. What is this known as? It is known as central angle. Suppose we are having a circle, the complete angle of a circle will be 360 and 360 degree, and this 360 degree is known as central angle. Clear? So in order to draw the central angle of 360 degree, we have to find the sectors. Sector definitions everybody know. These are called the sector angles, isn't it? So in order to draw a pie chart, we have to find the sector angle. So dear student, from where we are getting the sector angles? Sector angles we are getting from the data. Whatever the data is being given in the questions, from this data we are getting the sector angles. And with the help of these sector angles, we are going to draw a pie chart whose total degree will be 360. When we are finding the sector angle, suppose here we are having 4 colors, isn't it? So a number of people, using this number of people, we have to find the sector angle for blue color, green color, red color and yellow color, because here number of people is given. We have to convert this number of people or calculate the number of people in the form of sector angle. Okay, so how many colors are there? 4 colors are there. For using this 4 color, we will going to draw a pie chart by converting the number of people or calculating the number of people into the form of a sector angle. When we are calculating the number of people into the form of sector angle, and when we are going to add this, we have to get the 360 angle, 360 degree. Clear everyone? So let's see the solution. So dear student, what is here? So we are having what the color are? Color are blue color we are having. Okay, green color we are having, red and yellow. These are the colors we are having. Clear? Now we can see that number of people preferred which color? Most of the people preferred, that means they like. Okay, they will go with the blue color most. Then after which color? Green color. Then after red color, and the least will be yellow color. So altogether when we are going to add all this data, the total will be 36. That means when you are going to add 18 plus 9 plus 6 plus 3, when you are going to add the data, it will become 36. That will be the total data. Clear up to here? So in this way we have to calculate the pie chart, or we have to draw a pie chart, and before drawing this pie chart we have to calculate the central sector angle. We have to calculate the central angle. Okay, and before drawing we have to calculate the sector angle. and the sector angle must be equals to, while adding all the sector angles, it must be equals to 360 degree. So clear up to here everyone? Now let's see the next part. What is the next part? We will see the solution. Sorry. So here we are having the solution. So as we know that, as I had explained you beforehand only, that what is the central angle of a circle. That means a circle, if we are going to draw any kind of a circle, either a small circle, big circle, whatever the circle we are drawing, its complete angle is equals to how much? That means what is the complete angle of a circle is? It must be 360 degree, that everybody know, isn't it? Now in order to draw this circle in the form of a pie chart, we have to calculate. And what is the total number of people we are having? That is 36. We had already added that, isn't it? From where this 36 we have got? By adding the number of people who like the color blue, green, red and yellow. This is the total number of the people who likes blue, green, red and yellow color respectively. Clear, student? Now let's see. After this we have to draw one box. If you want to draw a box, you can draw, otherwise you can individually calculate. So dear student, what is the blue? Blue is the color. Okay, number of people liking the blue color are 18. Okay, now what is the total number of people? Total people are 36. That is given in the question itself, isn't it? Now we have to calculate. Either calculate this in the form of like blue color liking people upon total number of people into 360. Either calculate like this, or you can directly calculate as I am showing on the screen. So look how to calculate. For blue color, first we are going to calculate. Okay, how many people are going to like blue color? 18 people. And what is the total number of people we are having? Total number of people are 36. So in order to calculate the central angle, what we are going to do? We are going to calculate, that is 18 blue color people liking blue color people upon total number of people into 360. What is the formula will be? For the word of the formula will be going to change according to the condition, according to the words of the question. Okay, so blue color people liking upon total number of people into 360. This 360 always comes in the formula. Remember student, this 360 degree always comes in the formula. Clear up to here? So what we are having? Blue color, how many people are liking? 18 people liking. Total number of people are how many? That is 36. And what is the angle? Complete angle. What is the complete angle of a circle is equals to 360 degree, isn't it? Using this data we are going to find the central angle. So central angle is equals to 18 number of people like blue color, that is 18, upon total number of people are 36 into 360 degree. And from where the 360 degree comes? From the formula itself, that is angle of a circle. Okay, now 36 ones are and 36 tens are, it will be get cancelled. So 18 into 10 will be how much? 180 degree. Have you understood up to here? Or if you want to calculate according to this, then you can calculate according to this also. So first we had already divided 18 number of people like blue color is 18 upon total number of people are 36. Cancelling this number by the table of 2, 3, any table you can cancel, whichever the table will be suitable for it. When we are going to cancel by the table of 2, so 18 9 2 9s is 18. Then here it will be get cancelled how many times? 18s. Then again it will be 9s and it will be 9 1s are 9 and 9 2s are 18. So what the fraction we are getting here? 1 by 2. Now this 1 by 2 will be multiplied with 360 degrees. So it will be get cancelled by one time and 180. So directly either we can do like this, either we can do like this method, or we can directly multiply 18 upon 36 into 360. In both the way the answer will remain same. So clear everyone? Now the second step we are having. What is the second? How many people like the green color? That is 9 people. What is the total number of people? Are 36. And what is the angle of a circle, complete angle of a circle? That is 360 degree. Okay, so total number of people like the green color is 9. Then total number of people are 36 into 360. Again it will be get cancelled by the table of 36. So 9 into 10 is equals to 90 degree. How have you understood? Or if you can calculate like this, total number of people like green color is 9 upon total number of people is 36, can cancel by the table of 3. That is 3 ones are 3 3s is 9 and 3 2 3. Here it will be 1 time and 6 will be 2 times. So again it will be get cancelled. So 1 by 4. Now 1 by 4 will be multiplied with 360. You will get the answer as 90. So both the way of method to solve is same. Okay. So this is the first method and this is the second method. Both the way you can calculate the central angle. Clear everyone? Now in the third, what is the third color we are having as? Third color we are having a red color, isn't it? Red color we are having, that is R is equals to, how many people like the red color? That is 6 people likes the red color. What is the total number of people we are having? 36, isn't it? What is the complete angle of a circle we are having? That is 360, isn't it? So what will be the formula? The number of people like the red color is 6 upon total number of people, that is 36 into 360 degree is the formula. 6. So it will be get cancelled by the table of 36 ones are 36 and 36 tens are is 360. So 60 into 10 will be how much? It will be equals to 60. Clear? So in the same way you have to calculate for the yellow color. That will be angles comes how much? That is 60 degree. So dear student, here we had already finded the central angle as 180 degree, 90 degree, 60 degree and 30 degree. Now let's add and see whether 360 degree is coming or not. So 180 degree, then 90 degree, okay, then 60 degree and 30 degree. So 60 plus 30 will be equals to 90, 90 plus 90 will be equals to 90 plus 90 will be equals to, again it will be equals to 180, isn't it? So 180 plus 180, 180 plus 1, this 3 will be equals to 180, then 180 plus 180 it will be equals to 360. Hence we are getting the total angle as 360 degree, which is the complete angle of a circle. Hence our solution is correct. Clear? So in this way also you can check your solution or calculation whether our solutions is correct or not. Now we have to draw a pie chart. We have to draw a pie chart. For drawing the pie chart, what we have to do is we have to first draw a circle of any radius. Either you can use the 3 centimeter, 3.5 centimeter, 4 centimeter, 5 centimeter, depends on you. So drawing the circle of any radius. First we have to draw one circle of any radius by keeping the needle at the center and taking any radius. Suppose I had taken the radius as 4 centimeter. You can take according to your own wish. Now what we have to do is we have to place this central angle. Central angle, that means blue color, how much the central angle is? 180 degree. Isn't it? Green color, how much the central angle is? 90 degree. Red color, how much the central angle is? 60 degree. And yellow color, how much the central angle is? 30 degree. Clear up to here? So this particular angles we have to plot in the circle. So let's see. Dear student, as we know that this is known when a straight line or a diameter dividing the circle into two equal parts. So when a straight line dividing the circle into two equal parts, the angle of this will be equals to 180 degree. Is it very clear to everyone? Because 180 degree plus 180 degree will be equals to 360 degree. That's why. So clearly the blue color can be easily plotted, isn't it? We can plot the blue color easily as drawing one straight line passing through the center. So it will be angle as 180 degree. Now in order to draw the green color, what is the second color we are having? Green. So green, that means 90 degree. Drawing the quadrant over here. Drawing the quadrant over here. How much? We have to draw a circle. then semicircle, it will be equals to 180 degree, that is a blue color. Then one will pass us through the 90 degree, will be the green color. And now 60 and 30. So this will be 60 and 30. So dear student, you can use the protractor for drawing this. Clear? In the previous video I had explained you how to use the protractor for drawing the pie chart. So this is the explanation of the question number 3. So for today, thank you everyone. In the next video I will give you the solution for question number 4 and 5.